This is Galactic Spiral Warrior by Joe Richey, and this is a very special piece. Joe Richey was one of the founding persons who thought of the idea and brought it to fruition for Sculpture Walk Peoria. He is also a sculptor, as is his son, who has been on the Sculpture Walk. So this year it seems that we have a lot of brothers, partners, family members who have been involved in Sculpture Walk for the last 10 years. This piece is actually a wonderful stainless steel piece. These polyhedron pieces are all put together in this totem fashion. And the impetus for this, the inspiration, was an Albrecht Durer etching from 1514, and it's an incredible piece of Melencolia. And in the background of this wonderful etching is this shape. And he took this shape, and we always tease because Mr. Richey is a geometrist. He is definitely interested in mathematics, in physics, in construction, in all things that make a very great, what we call a minimal sculpture. He's taken one form and he's replicated it to create his sculpture. It's perforated, as if you see the etching itself, there's a variety of textures and lines and all that. And he's re-emphasized that through variations of each polyhedron.